It's 53 days to the 2023 election, and if you've not gotten your PVC, what are you still doing? Go get your PVC and use it to vote on the 25th of February 2023 for who becomes the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, or who are the people that will go to the National Assembly. And a week after that, you will also be voting for those that will become governors of the respective states and members of the state houses of assembly. Except if you live in Abuja like me, then you just be chilling because you don't have anybody to vote for. We don't have a state government in Abuja. So that is it. But we don't just only do countdown, we also read from the Electoral Act 2022. And today we're looking at section 102. And this is talking about disqualification. And subsection 1 of section 102 says, a person shall not be qualified to contest an area council election under this act if he or she is A, subject to the provisions of section 28 of the Constitution, has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of a country other than Nigeria, or except in such cases as may be prescribed by the National Assembly, has made a declaration of allegiance to such a country. What does that mean? Does that mean if you have dual citizenship, you can't contest? Is that what they're saying here? This is where you need the lawyers to really explain this thing to you. Has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of a country other than Nigeria. Okay, we'll get the lawyers one day. We'll get the explanation. B, someone is disqualified if he's adjudged to be lunatic or otherwise declared to be of unsound mind under any law in force in any part of Nigeria. Most of the people that are already in office, they don't have sound mind. We need to just kick them out. But hey, it is what it is. C is under a sentence of death imposed on him or her by any competent court of law or tribunal in Nigeria. If you're under, does that even necessary? If somebody is sentenced to death, it's already in prison, how is it contested? But hey, it's Nigeria, anything can happen. So they're putting this to be sure. Oh my goodness, I'm just saying that this subsection, this section 102 is so long. But D, you are disqualified if within a period of less than 10 years before the date of an election to the area council has been convicted and sentenced for an offence involving dishonesty or has been found guilty of contravention of the code of conduct. E is an undischarged bankrupt, having been adjudged or otherwise declared bankrupt under any law in force in any part of Nigeria. F is a person employed in the public service of the Federation or any state or area council other than a person holding elective office and has not resigned, withdrawn, or retired from such employment 30 days before the date of election. So if you want to run for office, you must, under the area council, you must resign for your job 30 days before the election. G is a member of any secret society. So this is so absurd. So if he's a member of any secret society, how will you know? Because it's supposed to be secret society, nobody's supposed to know. Anyway. Then you have H. Someone is disqualified if he has, within the preceding period of 10 years, presented a forged certificate to the commission. So does that mean that after 10 years, if you committed one crime or the other, then it's wiped away for you? Because that's what the law seems to say here. I, has been dismissed from the public service of the Federation, state, local government, or area council. Or J, has been elected to such office at any 2 previous elections in the case of chairman. Okay, so it's only 2 terms. And then we have subsection 2. It says, where in respect of any person who has been A, adjudged to be lunatic, B, declared to be of unsound mind, C, sentenced to death or imprisonment, or D, adjudged or declared bankrupt, any appeal against the decision is pending in any court of law in accordance with any law in force in Nigeria. Subsection 1 shall not apply during the period beginning from the date when such appeal is lodged and ending on the day when the appeal is finally determined, or as the case may be, the appeal lapses or is abandoned, whichever is earlier. And then we have subsection 3. It says, for the purpose of section 2, an appeal includes any application for an injunction or an order of certiorari, mandamus, prohibition, or habeas corpus, or any appeal from any such application. Ooh, that was such a mouthful, but we got to it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.